Plastic DINOLAND features stunning large-scale installation of dinosaurs and other creatures all meticulously constructed from these unwanted playthings. The exhibition draws a powerful connection between the plastic used to create the toys and the fossil fuels derived from prehistoric life, including dinosaurs, highlighting the cyclical nature of consumption and waste. Through his colorful and visually captivating creations, a Japanese artist, Fuji Hiroshi, encourages viewers to reflect on the role of plastic in their own lives and consider its impact on the planet. Fuji Hiroshi is a Japanese artist known for his innovative use of recycled materials. His work challenges our perceptions of waste and inspires creative reuse. Subscribe to YouTube channel of the Museum of Childhood to explore more about childhood and education.